In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ANC future while talking about the anchor convention cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. Kindly really remember that you ought to especially think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like anchor convention in a significant manner. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the anchor convention value forecast and answer questions in the event that ANC is an excellent speculation or not. For what reason will ANC generally succeed or in a real sense fall flat, or for what reason will secure convention value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what ANC is in its to-date history, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. ANC value expectation for the very next 10 days, which basically is genuinely huge. The entire crypto world essentially is on an edge of a total breakdown in an especially huge manner. Bitcoin generally has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon generally is dim and there will be genuinely more blood in the city of the crypto town in an extremely significant manner. Financial backers generally are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous sort of play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the sort of second piece of the year, in opposition to mainstream thinking. This essentially is reflected in our 2023 expectations in an unpretentious way. At the present time, Bitcoin in every practical sense, requirements to find a base before we can move in the kind of inverse heading and sort of alter the course, which especially is very critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will basically begin to generally do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and in every practical sense, later history. Our cost expectation model explicitly is negative for the by and large next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an exceptionally huge manner. We expect whales and really other essentially greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike, which in a real sense is very huge. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess in every practical sense are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical by and large potential, and a few genuinely other especially exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 0210 $1.12% $0 0534 2023 0211 plus 7.27% $0 0579 2023 0212 plus 0.11% $0 0540 2023 02 13 plus 6.83% $0 0576 2023 0214 plus 0.28% $0 0541 2023 0215 plus 4.23% $0 0562 2023 0216 plus 1.04% $0 0545 2023 0217 1.91% $0 0529 2023 0218 plus 0.30% $0 0541 2023 0219 2.80% $0 0524 2023 0220 plus 0.36% 5 cents. Anchor convention value expectation 2023 essentially high expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, which is very critical. At the point when we basically take the inward crypto issues with sort of huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 truly isn't looking excessively truly great for the bulls, or so they essentially thought. We will presumably in a real sense see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip most certainly lower with each really minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner in a significant way. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023, 2023 blemish, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. 18.40% $0 0440 2023 APRA. 36.94% $0.03402023 May, or so they explicitly thought. 28.98% $0.03832023 June in a really significant manner. 27.81% $0.03892023 Joel, or so they thought. 18.41% $0.04402023 Og. 14.60% $0.04612023 Sep. 8.70% $0.04932023 Oct. Incredibly. 4.48% $0.05152023 Na. 5.34% $0.05112023 Dec in an unpretentious manner. 0.69% $0.05362024 Jan, which fundamentally is very huge. Plus 14.80% $0.06192024 Feb. Plus 14.00% 6 cents a NC value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees ANC coming to 11 cents in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. What will ANC be worth in 5 years? The cost of a NC in 5 years could in every practical sense lie around 9 cents. Anchor convention value expectation 2030 to 2040, which really is very huge. What anchor convention will be somewhat worth in 2030, which is genuinely huge. Our Guajing model sees anchor convention coming to 27 cents in 2030. What anchor convention will be worth in 2040, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our estimating model sees anchor convention coming to 55 cents in 2040 in a quite huge manner. Will more conventions supplant, outperform, truly surpass Bitcoin? No, anchor convention won't supplant or really overwhelm BTC. Will secure convention reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for anchor convention to especially reach $1,000 in the essentially short or mid-term period. Amazingly, is anchor convention certainly worth purchasing, as opposed to mainstream thinking? We in a real sense are backers of tolerably dangerous financial planning. Contribute the vast majority of especially your crypto portfolio in BTC. 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, anchor convention certainly merits purchasing. Is anchor convention a genuinely wise interest and in an every way that really matters, significant way? Anchor convention is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous speculation. It really does truly have essentially higher likelihood of going up than down due to the very great use case, all-around plan tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it, or so they explicitly thought. How kind of much will secure convention be worth in a truly significant manner? For the transient future, it could reach 3 cents, which is genuinely critical. In the long haul, it could leap to 27 cents or much higher. For what reason will secure convention most certainly succeed in all things considered? Become more expensive. Anchor convention certainly has a by and large great use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area and a kind of strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and that fundamentally is the reason our expectation model sees anchor convention ascending to 27 cents in 2030. For what reason will more